So for outdoor work, definitely use the appropriate product to protect the grout on your pieces because it's going to get beaten up by the weather. So this is my favorite. It's called 511 Impregnator. I think it sounds like a superhero. So I like it. Also, there's other ones too. Tile Lab makes one that Home Depot carries too, which is a lot cheaper than this one. Just totally up to you. So you dispense a little into a cup or whatever you have, and you have a paintbrush or a sponge brush, and you just literally dollop it on so that the grout can drink it up. And your grout, if your grout is really thirsty, you might do a couple of applications of this. And you should do this to your grout jobs that are outside, and even on the inside stuff like your kitchen counters and whatever you have grout in your shower and stuff. You should definitely coat it with some sealer every couple of years. So just let it soak in, soak in. It looks like it's changing the appearance of the grout, but that's just because it's wet. Once it's dry, it'll look exactly like it used to. And just wipe it all off.